Namaskar, myself Dr. Kumar Shankar Sinha. On behalf of the Astha Charitable and the Bazana Pran Clinic USA, we are here at IGIMS, and one of the great personalities with us, and he assured us to help in this pandemic situation. Today, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar is here. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar has done the MBBS from the Darbhanga Medical College, and he has done MD from BHU Varanasi and fellowship in critical care medicine. Presently, Dr. Sanjeev is working at IGMS in the Department of Critical Care Medicine and also the nodal officer of National Emergency Life Support Skill Center IGIMS Patna. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar and his total team provide here training of basic life support, advanced cardiac life support, advanced trauma life support. But in the present COVID scenario, he is regularly providing the training to many medical and paramedical people about uses of various methods of oxygen therapy, BiPAP support, ventilatory support, which are the backbone of the COVID management. Really, we are thankful to him. So let's we get the knowledge and about his work with the Dr. Sanjeev Kumar sir. Thank you, sir. So just we come back in the lab. Dr. Sanjeev is here with us.
First of all, regarding oxygen therapy, I am just showing that how nasal oxygen cannula is going to use. So this is the nasal oxygen mask, and with the help of this, we can provide oxygen therapy in various flow. So with the help of this, we can provide 30 to 40% of the oxygen. Then we can also use the simple oxygen mask. With the help of this, we can provide the 40% of the oxygen, and no doubt we have to regulate the oxygen flow. Apart from this, we can also use oxygen therapy with the help of the nebulization and some bronchodilator fluid you can give, and we can nebulize the patient and we can give. If patient is not even responding, in that case we can use rebreathing mask. So with the help of the rebreathing mask, we can give oxygen, and here the collected oxygen in this bag can give additional oxygen support. So with help of this rebreathing mask, we can provide oxygen therapy up to 80 to 90% of the oxygen. So if patient is not responding all this device, then we can use the BiPAP therapy. For that, such type of the mask is we use in patient, and this is the BiPAP mask which we use on the patient and strap tightly. And this is the BiPAP machine. With the help of this, we can provide the oxygen therapy with some pressure support. So here you can see that in this way we can provide the oxygen. You can see that how lung is going to inflate. So this is all about the oxygen therapy. So if patient is not responding, in last resort we can use the oxygen therapy with the help of the endotracheal intubation and with the help of the ventilatory support. So if patient is on the ventilatory support, so prognosis is not good nowadays, so we avoid using the ventilator. Okay, thank you.
Here we are providing the regular training about the any sorts of the emergency management. But in present situation, we are providing to many medical and paramedical people about the various type of the oxygen therapy, like whether patient is need simply nasal oxygen mask or face mask or non-rebreathing mask or BiPAP support, or if possible we can also give training of the ventilatory support. So here this is our National Emergency Life Support Skill Center, which is the one of the organization formed by the Government of India with the collaboration of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Last year this skill center was inaugurated by our Honorable Health Minister Ashwini Chaudhary sir. So for the last few months we are regularly giving training to the so many people and in most of the beneficiary people are our interns and postgraduate students and other paramedical students, even some physiotherapist colleague and some nursing staff. So we can create such type of the man force. We can help the people who are the fighting with the COVID symptoms in the ICU and the various area of our hospital. So basic problem is that most of our medical people are not aware that how we have to handle about the oxygen and how we have to use judiciously the oxygen therapy and how much you have to give oxygen, and if this oxygen therapy is failed, then when we have to use the BiPAP and even how and which mode we have to use, that thing we are going to train each and every day. And we have also given training so many doctors about the ventilatory support. So my aim is here to giving the and confidence to those people who are really want to serve the corona patients.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjay. If I'm not wrong, this is the first center of India who are a National Life Emergency Support Center.
Yeah, basically before starting such National Emergency Life Support Skill Center, the initially so many organization was developed here for the giving the training about the basic life support. So here our government of India has think that we have to our own such type of the national program which can give the training to our Indian people free of cost about the any sorts of the emergency management. So for that they have developed 5 days course for the training to the all government doctors free of cost.